Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will talk about how to be verified on Tinder. It's a simple process, so let's start. Open Tinder and go to your profile. Just below your profile picture on the right side of your edge, you will find a right tick option. Tap on that. Then you will get a message like this. Tap on continue, next, and just go along the way. Tap on agree. Tap on continue. Now as you tap on continue and agree to all of those messages, you will have to verify your profile picture through a video selfie. So basically the app will confirm if the person in the picture and the person currently on video mode are the same and examine if the facial features match. If it finds that the person on the video and on the photos uploaded on the account are the same, then you will get a verified tick on your profile. So getting verified on Tinder is actually pretty easy if you are using your genuine pictures in your account. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.